my channel. As you can see, I have the Allure Beauty Box. This is actually for March 2019. It is April already, but I had this here as the last unboxing of the month, and I figured I'd just show you what I received just because there were a lot of different variations, and it's not typical for Allure to have this many variations in products. I really hope it's not like that anymore, honestly, because I like the way that they send everybody the same thing. Maybe one product is different, but this month it was really just all over the place. Now, the Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month. You do get a good variety of products. You usually get at least one full-size item. You can actually get your first box for $10, and you'll get a free new member gift, and it's usually a full-size makeup item. And I will have the link down below in the description box if you are interested. Now, when you open up the box, you'll always see it like this. You have your little pamphlet on the top, and inside you'll see all the products for the month, and it gives, I believe it gives pricing as well as like a quick description. They started sending these bags and I hate them. They are just a waste. The first one I got was ripped, and it looks like this one is ripped as well. So I'm gonna email them again. I do not want a replacement at all, but this just should not be happening. This is just a waste, honestly. All I do with these is throw them right in the recycle. They are not good quality at all. I haven't even touched this, so for this to come ripped like that, it's not good. This is the first product, and it is full size. It's the Au Naturel Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick in Grapefruit. Now, this is actually valued at $35, so that is expensive. I am not really a cream stick person. I don't use cream products at all, honestly. Now, this one is supposed to be like a golden peachy shade, and in the pamphlet here it says the fresh effect works especially well if you put it on the apples of your cheeks and across the bridge of your nose and blend it with your fingers, and it's also organic and cruelty free. This is what the actual packaging looks like. Now, I'm just not sure if I'm gonna keep this or not, so I'm not gonna swatch it. It's a pretty shade, and I like that it's different from like a pinky kind of blush, so I might try it. So the next product here is actually going with a product that we received last month. Now, last month we received the Maman's Rose Water Cleansing Oil, and this month they sent us the Maman's Rose Water Toner. This is supposed to be soothing and moisturizing, and it's good for all skin types. Now, the size we received is a 25 milliliter or 0.84 fluid ounces. The full size is $23. This next thing was a variation product. You could have received either this Biossance Squalene and Vitamin C Rose Oil, or you could have received the Biossance Squalene Peptide Eye Gel. The size of this is only 4 milliliters. It's 0.13 fluid ounces. So I'm really surprised because I don't typically see Allure sending little tiny samples like this. It looks like that these ingredients are supposed to hydrate and brighten skin. It makes your skin look dewy but not oily. An oil like this, I will use at night. The full size of this is actually $72. The next thing that everybody was also receiving was this Allure Seriously Soothing Night Oil. It has blue tansy in it. This actually has 10 hydrating oils in it. It's good to use after a retinol, or if you have any kind of dry spots, you could put it on your dry spots before makeup or at night, or you could even put it on the ends of your hair, it says here. This is a 0.3 fluid ounce or 10 milliliter size. Full size is 1 ounce, and it's $12.99, so it's definitely a very reasonably priced product. This one actually is like a roller ball, and I don't like that there is absolutely no label on here whatsoever. So if you don't keep this in the box, you could easily mix this up with other things. I don't like that it's a roller ball because I feel like when you rub this on your skin, you know, the bacteria is gonna go into the bottle. This next thing was also a variation product. Now, I don't understand why I received this. This is the Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm, and you could have received instead the Belief True Cream Aqua Balm. Now, I've never received the Aqua Balm in this box, but I've gotten this Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm in the Allure box at least twice, and that I know for a fact. So it is a good product, and I do like it. It doesn't absorb as quickly as, say, like a regular moisturizer would, but it absorbs pretty quickly for what it is. It goes on just like a petroleum-based balm, and as you rub it into the skin, it immediately liquefies and it gets very thin. The size that we received, it's only 0.17 fluid ounces or 5 milliliters. I'm not sure what the actual full size is, but I know that it comes in like a jar, and it is $48. The next thing I received is from Derma E. It's the Microdermabrasion Scrub. It has salt and grapeseed oil in this. It lifts away dead cells, clears pores, and moisturizes. So this is a 1/2 ounce size or 14 grams. The full size is $32.50. This is what the product looks like, and it has a very nice scent to it. It has like a citrusy scent. And then the last but not least was another variation product. So you could have received either this Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster, which I've been wanting to try, or you could have received the Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. The full size is $29.50. Now, again, another tiny sample, 5 milliliters. This is a skin softening serum. It says it feels light as water going on, which is appropriate considering the formula is 89% mineral water, and hence that's where the 89 comes from. You only need a very small amount of this because it's so light and watery. You don't need much. That is it for the March 2019 Allure Beauty Box. Overall, I'm happy with it. I mean, it's not too bad for $15. I mean, this was a full-size product valued at $35. Except for this scrub here, everything else was tiny, you know, tiny little samples that kind of remind me of Sephora play. Keep a lookout for all of my upcoming unboxings for April. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. I do also have an Instagram, which is skincare_glam. I do post a lot on there as well. But until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.